Did you know that LinkedIn carousel posts get 1.6 times the engagement of other post types? This is according to LinkedIn. And apparently, it's because people spend a little bit more time going through each of the cards on the carousel. Now, as I'm sure you're already aware, LinkedIn is the largest platform for professionals to network in the world. So people go there, of course, if they're looking for a job, looking for sales leads, partnership opportunities, and the list goes on. So if you're on LinkedIn and you want to boost your professional brand, be seen as the go-to person in your niche, or if you really want to be seen as that thought leader, then don't sleep on LinkedIn. You have to post. Just like any other social media, you're going to have to post, engage, comment, etc. And with carousel posts being 1.6 times more engagement, you don't want to sleep on those either. So if you're interested in a way that you can help to boost your professional brand, then grab your coffee or your drink of choice and meet me at the computer. Okay, so here we are at the computer, and this is a prompt that I have for ChatGPT to help generate some of these LinkedIn carousel ideas and just what should go on each of the different slides. So this I'm going to have in the description below. I just copy and paste that into ChatGPT. As you can see, it's all right there. And now I've got this for HR professionals because actually my background is in HR, even though I am the process person. So here we go. There's a 10 carousel ideas, and it's in a download CSV file. And we can open this up and see what we've got. So now I can copy and paste this into a Google Sheet, but it just gives you a bit of a sense of some of the different things that you can have in here. Now, what I end up doing, I think the way that I'm going to set up my sheet, I'm going to separate these out, which you can easily do through text to columns. And I think this top 5 AI trends in recruitment, I'm going to move that to the top because I want to start there. So here we go. These are all of the different topics. What will be on each of the different slides as well. And like I said, I'm going to split these out. If you know Excel, you can do text to columns. But anyway, over to Canva. Now I'm going to create an Instagram square post. I know it's for LinkedIn, but it's just the sizing that we like, right? So the size. Now you can go into templates right here, and they actually do have a carousel template. So if you scroll over, we're going to keep on scrolling. It's quite far, which is kind of, I always pass it. Oh, there we go. Carousel. It's next to quote. And there are so many different templates that you can choose from. Some are with the, if you have a pro account, and some are free. So there's all kinds of different ones. You just kind of go through and see which one you like or that works for your brand or what you're trying to say as well, right? So like I said, you can keep scrolling. Now I've already gone ahead and created one. So this is what I have. So as I said, I wanted to split out that the Excel workbook so that I've got topic and then the information. So that's what I did. But here we go. And once you've got this done, if you want to download, now in Canva, we've got this social section, and you can go to LinkedIn page or LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn page if you've got if your business account, but now you just connect your LinkedIn. There we go. Just like you would anything else. Now I've hidden my email account, obviously, and then allow, just all of the usual things that you would need in order to connect anything. Just got to sign in. Now here, I've got this is my account. I'm going to say I'm going to export all of these, and then I've copied and pasted this from ChatGPT. I had ChatGPT create that for me. It's preparing the design to go to LinkedIn. Here's the rub. Once it goes over there, the native sort of integration between Canva and LinkedIn, you can check out your post directly from here, which is really nice. I like that you can just click that button. You can see here, there it is, but that's not a carousel post. Those are all images. See, and although it acts like a carousel, it is all just images. That's an image post. It's not a proper carousel. So we're going to go right back to the beginning. Well, not to the beginning, But what you need to do, the trick with this is we've got everything there that we want it. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you the proper way to create a carousel post. Trick is it needs to be a PDF. So what you need to do is go back to download this, but instead of as a PNG, you do it as a PDF print or PDF standard. There we go. We're going to save that as it just saving as it normally would. And then when we are here, we're going to share our thoughts as you would. And then at the bottom, you click more. And second from the left is add a document. And this is where we do the PDF. It has to be a PDF. So I'm going to choose my file, which was already in the downloads, just my downloads file. Document title, that doesn't work. It can only be 58 characters. So I'm going to just kind of edit this out so that it works properly. There we go. And you can see this is what the carousel should look like, right? We're going to click done. And I'm just going to post it. I'm not going to bother sharing my thoughts. Bing. And there you go. You can see this is a proper carousel post as you would normally see in LinkedIn. Now, again, what I've done, like I said, I did just the text to columns to split that out so that I've got title and the information like in here. Now, here's a hack to somewhat automate this. You can go into apps if you've got a pro account, and this is where we could do a bulk create. Now, the bulk create, although we're not going to create a bulk of them, you can do this one at a time. You're going to enter the data manually, and then from this worksheet, you just copy the first 2 rows. And then after that, you've got the data set up in your Canva template. Then you just have to kind of copy and paste over. Just go to that. There you go. Title, slide 1 detail, slide 2 detail, whatever you want to call it. We're going to just get rid of these 2. There we go. And then it's just this row 1 that you have to copy and paste over if you want to do next week's carousel post. So we're going to click done. So although that is kind of manual, this will help. Now, of course, you've got to connect all of your data in here as you did. Now, we've gone through this in a previous post of how to do these bulk uploads. And then once you're done, you click generate and everything. So this is going to be, look, now here it is. It's transforming workforce planning. So what I've done now is that I don't have to go back and recreate this copy, paste. I can just kind of copy it once, one whole line, and then it pastes in here. And you can just take a quick look through to make sure it fits and all of the rest. Again, you go back in and you download it as a PDF so that you can, and not as a PNG, but as that PDF so that you can create your carousel post in LinkedIn. And that's pretty much it. So that's kind of a bit of a hack to make this process a little bit quicker. So there you have it. Although you can't fully automate carousel posts using tools like make.com, if you're only going to be posting these once, maybe twice a week, the amount of effort that you have to put in is truly minimal. And if you're able to use the bulk upload function within Canva, then this should help to minimize some of that work. You can also use ChatGPT to generate some of those ideas for you, as well as captions. I don't know if it would be worth for one post a week to automate that through make.com, but I'm sure you could. Now, if you did find this video helpful, it would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button and the like button, of course, and don't forget the little bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, if you're interested in seeing how you might be able to use make.com to automate your other types of posts to LinkedIn or other platforms, please feel free to leave a comment and I'd be happy to get to that. So until next time, happy posting.